Today I'm going to show you how to create a fillable form in Adobe PDF in 60 seconds. Step number 1, go ahead and create your form with all required fields in a Word document. Once you have that Word document created, you're going to go ahead and navigate over to Adobe Acrobat. You're going to go to the top where it says File, and you're going to select Create. From Create menu, you're going to say Create Form to select the document that you want to use to create your form. And it's going to transfer those form fields over into fillable form fields in Adobe Acrobat. So I'm going to select Start. And as you can see here, it went ahead and copied over all of my fields that I had in my Word document. Now, at the very top here, you can see that the fields did not transfer over. No problem, we can go ahead and add a field very quickly. We're going to go to the top of the form here, and then I'm going to place that box into the area where I want that field to appear. So as you can see here, this is actually a date option, not just a text option. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this field. I'm going to go to Properties. I'm going to go over here to Format, and I'm going to select Date. The key thing to remember when you are copying and pasting a field is that you have to rename that field. These are both named Text 6. If I don't change the name of one of these fields, anything that a user enters in first Text 6 is going to be repeated in the second Text 6. But I'm going to go ahead over here and go to Properties, and on the General tab, I'm going to change this to Text 7. And there you go. Just like that, you're able to create a form in Adobe Acrobat.